Lots and lots and lots of weather to talk about. Not a dull forecast by any stretch. Let's get into it. That is a live look at a calm picture. This is your St. Joseph Health weather bug camera from Keeneland. We are looking back across Keeneland over toward Versailles Road. You've got Bluegrass Airport sitting right there. It's been fun watching planes taking off and landing. Well, that could get a little iffier later on tonight. We do have a winter weather advisory, which not only do we have it, it runs from New York, Connecticut, all the way back through Wisconsin, Illinois, to Texas, all the way back to New Mexico, where it turns into winter storm watches in Arizona. In fact, we can just take it to the Pacific Northwest, so almost coast to coast. A winter weather advisory. The areas in purple and the plains out there in the Appalachians, those are winter storm warnings. Big snows just on the other side of the mountains from us. For us, little tiny bit of snow at the onset here. That's your advisory. I-64 and north, there could be some travel issues, predominantly bridges. And that would be if we get a little burst of snow. Minor accumulations from this, maybe a little bit more as you head into northern Kentucky, but for most of us, we won't see much of anything. But still, travel could be an issue for a while, for a couple of hours tonight. Regardless, everything changes to rain later tonight, as temperatures will be warming. Flood watch starts tonight, runs into Thursday morning. MaxTrack Live Doppler, we're picking up the first levels of Virga. So this is the stuff coming in high aloft, evaporating on the way down, but it's not going to take much longer, and this is going to start hitting the ground, and it may already be doing that right about the Tennessee line. So the rain arrives, may start as a wet, slushy snow or a little bit of a sleet freezing rain mix. Again, that won't last long. Regardless, that's all gone for the morning commute tomorrow, and it's just rain. When we have round one of the deluge, deluge part deux comes in over the weekend. We could see some strong storms, spring storms with that as well, so something to keep an eye on. Heaviest of the rain will be to our south and west, but boy, it's not far away. In fact, the little tongue of that does come all the way up into the bluegrass. This is with round one. 2 to 4 inches of rain are a possibility for us tonight, tomorrow into Thursday morning with lesser amounts on up to the north and west. Then we get round two coming in here Friday night into Saturday, into early Sunday, and the total by then, we could be in a 3 to 5 inch rain. That is a month to a month and a half's worth of rain basically in 5 days. And there you see it. That's a whole lot of water right there in Middle Tennessee. It is coming northbound. You see it working its way up past Nashville. Lots of yellows and reds showing up, and you see it here on the future track. It's running into the modified Arctic high. So there's your cold air that's sitting in place. So that moisture comes north. The high basically says slow down a little bit, drop your heavy rain right there. We see that change over briefly to a little snow or a mix. Then by the time we get you into the hours after midnight, the warm front bubbles north. It gets breezy and temperatures are rising as we head toward morning, and the rain looks to be heavy. And we'll see another wave come in then late tomorrow afternoon and evening. Cold front will slide off to the east. That sets the stage for Thursday, most of which should be dry. Then we wait for this system to come out. This one looks like a doozy as it comes out here for the weekend. Temperatures running mid-30s for most right now, low 40s across the southern tier. The number to pay attention to right now is the dew point, because as rain begins to fall, that temperature starts heading toward the dew point number, and they will eventually meet somewhere in the middle. That's why we have the snow potential. So the winter advisory, rain, some of that heavy, may begin as a brief period of snow, overnight lows in the low 30s. Mid-50s tomorrow, a windy day. Along with that, some of that heavy rain will be around. Rain ends early Thursday, maybe a little sun. Rain comes back Friday afternoon. The strong storms are possible over the weekend. And then we talk winter again middle of next week.
Can't we just get some calm, nothing going on, no rain, no snow?
Oh, no, sunshine? I'd be out of a job then. No, that's a bad idea.
Good point. Yeah, okay, we'll keep you around. Thanks.